GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
Welcome to White Ink Wednesday. I'm Mark Sudol, a text application specialist at Graphic Solutions Group. Today what we're going to talk about is how to achieve a really smooth white underbase featuring the M&R Hot Head. We're going to print our white. And as you can see, we have the fibers of the garment coming up through the white. It gives us a rough surface. So what we're going to do is go ahead and flash it and hit it with the M&R Hot Head. Let's talk about the M&R Hot Head for a second. This is the flat iron system. There is one that has a heated roller. It goes right into your squeegee carrier. Set it to in this front stop position, so your hot head starts in the front, completes your print just like your squeegee stroke, so there's no misalignment or registration issues. The main controller hangs on the outside of the press. We have ours set at 320 degrees, and we have about a medium print stroke. You know, the main reason you're going to use an M&R Hot Head is to smooth out your underbase, give you a really nice printable surface for your top colors, or you can put it in your first print head just to smooth the fibers and have them go in one direction on your garment. Now that we're flashed and smooth with the hot head, we're going to go ahead and do our top white on. And as you can see, with using the M&R Hot Head, smoothing our underbase, our top white, perfect smooth, really crisp, good looking white print. For more information and tips on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, and we'll see you next Wednesday.